This cube here will be filling up with water, and the challenge is to get out of it. But it's not gonna be easy because it will be sealed with this lid. We also have these little locks here. They're mainly for emergencies, but they also seal the cube. So in short, if someone can't get out, they'll have to open these locks and the person will get out. Of course, we'll retrieve them when they've drowned because it won't be interesting otherwise. The prisoner's task is to unlock 5 locks. Getting each key out will be very, very challenging, especially this key here. We have no idea which one it is. There are 4 other puzzles, each of which has only 1 key to retrieve, but that doesn't make the task much easier. We haven't even checked how easy they are to solve. We just made them. The problem also lies in the fact that when you're inside the cube, you can only work with 1 hand properly because, unfortunately, 2 hands won't fit in there. So what can you do? My head won't fit. I'm scared. I'm very scared. Help me! I'm lucky that I have a long nose so that I'll be able to breathe with something. After being in there for just a few minutes, I realize I'm in trouble. Now I'll take off my pants. Here we go. I'm ready! You might think by my face that I'm excited, but not really, to be honest. Right now, my heart is just pounding like crazy right now. Whew. Oh no! Oh, come on, help me! I might actually have claustrophobia. I've never tested that. Whew! Can I get some waterproof liquid, you guys?
It's ready.
Igor, what do you think? Will Maxim get out?
I think no. He'll complete 4 stages, but he won't be able to finish it. He won't be able to retrieve the ring, and from there, he will just drown.
Enough of the unnecessary talk. It's time to start.
Our first stage is to retrieve the key attached to the string on the cube. And he'll have to stretch it. And when he returns, he won't know which one he took. So let's go.
Come on! Death burn it!
It's filling up quickly.
What am I supposed to do, guys? I don't know! I don't know which key to take! I am so confused! Let's start with the first one.
He's trying to open the first lock, but that's not the right lock.
And the wand is coming out quite fast.
You can endlessly watch 2 things. How the water flows and how Mamix gets out of the cube. It's already
Ow!
centimeters.
I've wet my pants now! Okay, I'll try it with both hands. It's not working. Because the lock turned once, it seemed like it was opening. Is it open? I don't remember which one I was trying to open. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it, come on.
Let me tell you something. It's not the right key. He's torturing himself for no reason.
Honestly, I have no idea what to do. My hands are starting to go numb. I simply lack the agility to grab the lock and open it. I can't do it at all. Perhaps it's not the most appropriate moment right now, but guys, I'd be sincerely glad if you subscribe to the channel right now by clicking on the red button below the video. At least I'll understand that all my risks weren't in vain. I don't know if I'll get flooded today in this barrel or not, and in general whether I'll survive or not, but it would be great if you supported me with a like and a subscription. All right, I'm gonna continue opening these damn locks.
Well then, let's go.
Alright, I can say with 100% certainty that this is impossible. I don't know what to do next.
Come on, Max, you can do it.
Come on.
You can't.
This isn't it either! I tried to open all 5 locks with a single key and none of them worked. I'm moving on to the next key. I don't know if you can hear me because of the water pressure, but it's becoming very, very difficult to breathe in here. Everything is fogging up. It's impossible to stand. And I think there's no oxygen in here. Even the camera is fogging up. Okay, let's continue. Hey! Because the rubber band is short, I accidentally tore it. What should we do? Keep opening or will you reattach it?
Try to open the locks.
Open the locks, you still have more keys.
Oh, open the locks, right?
Yeah. If it's just luck, then you're lucky. And if it's bad luck, then you're not.
Come on! Do I have the key here?
Yes.
Hurry, give me the next one! I've collected more than half a tank and I've only passed the first test. This is terrible! Woohoo! I think I'll definitely drown today. Come on, the next one, you guys!
The second stage has begun, and the task is as follows. We have a labyrinth and a key that we cannot retrieve in any way. In order to retrieve it, we need to guide it through all these complex alleys, thus reaching the exit. And with this key, Max must open one of the locks in his pool.
All of them!
Yeah, all of them.
Where's the hatch?
You have to find it yourself. The challenge is that the passageways themselves are complex. A person without looking might think it's a dead end.
In the meantime, more than half has filled up for Max.
You know, you guys, the main problem is not that I can't find the labyrinth. It's that this thing just doesn't move through this thing at all. Where's the key?
Towards yourself a bit.
Am I close?
Now you're quite far.
And now you're far.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, finally. Hooray, it's the first time. Let's do the thing with lots of holes and the rope. Somehow I think that this will be the easiest one to do.
In the fourth stage, I have the following task for Max. We have a cube that we will place on top of Max. And there's a rope tangled among the holes. Max needs to untangle the rope so that its length is enough to open the lock. There you go, Max.
The third stage seems to be going much faster. It's much easier. I'm done.
What?
Well, I can open the lock now. Here's the key. Here, take it. You know what else is a problem, you guys? The hose is already dipped into the water, and as it gets deeper, you can't hear when the water is seeping in. So you think everything is okay and the water isn't leaking, but it is. All right, so I'm not gonna get distracted, or it seems I have problems. Let's move on to the fourth stage. I think I finally have a chance to get rid of all this crap. Just 2 more stages and that is it. I hate this.
The fourth stage. And we've prepared this little puzzle for Max. We have a ring with a key and 2 ropes. In order for him to open the lock, he needs to get this ring out. Let's see how he handles it. But it's not so simple.
Well, this one isn't so hard because I know this puzzle. So there really shouldn't be any problems with this one. I hope. God, I really want to help with my other hand. Hooray! Fourth stage. Let's have some water for this. Okay, this isn't the right lock. Next one. Where's the next one? Wait, did I just open this one?
We won't tell you
Ah,
that.
you suck. It is very hard to breathe in here. It's so stuffy in here and there's no air at all. But this is not This is hard. This is really hard.
Come on, you can do it.
It seems he's having an attack already.
Oh, shut up. Yes. Almost there.
Yeah.
Let's go to the final stage. I think I'm actually gonna survive today. At least I have a chance for it. The final stage is all that's left.
And in the 5th stage, we have my favorite and the most challenging test. In this stage, Max has to unscrew all the screws with a regular screwdriver to get this key and open the lock. At first glance, this task seems very simple, but you cannot imagine how hard it is to unscrew all these screws with a screwdriver. It's very difficult.
To be honest, I'm really starting to feel cold because this is cold water and I'm kind of feeling nauseous. It smells like sealant in here, which is toxic, so it's a little dangerous. I think that this is not really the easiest stage, actually.
Yeah, it's only because you're unscrewing the screws with a screwdriver.
Oh, this is really hard. Give me a drill, you guys! Come on, spare me, please! My arm hurts like crazy now.
You can take a break now.
Sure, I could if you disconnect this thing, you know? It would be easier if there was something to hold on to. Is it coming off at all now?
Oh, slowly but surely.
For some reason, I thought this would be the easiest task. I just want to clarify, there are only 2 screws left, right?
Yeah.
That means I only have to unscrew one more, and I'll live.
I would have thought that you could just slide the frame back without unscrewing one screw and take the key. That's kind of unfair. You have to unscrew all of them.
I think I'm in trouble, you guys. I have only 1 screw left, and the water is really cold. I can barely breathe.
I, for one, enjoy not participating in the videos. It's quite nice where there's no water.
I can't unscrew it.
In what situation are you for the first time?
I'm in trouble. It's not a situation. It's just some kind of mess, you guys. Oh my God.
It feels like Max is floating in 0 gravity.
Slowly
Is
but
it moving?
surely.
It's moving.
Yeah. He's so helpless. Look.
This is really awful, you guys. Damn it. I'm starting to panic because I'm fully submerged.
What if we unscrew it for you and you try to open it?
Let's do it. Any chance is better than nothing.
Wait, we have to do it with a screwdriver.
Are you guys trolling me?
Oh, man. The
This
screwdriver?
is not funny anymore, you guys.
The screwdriver cannot handle
Igor,
it. Let's
come
use
on,
this
faster.
Well, judging by his tense face, he's actually trying really hard, but not much is working for him.
All right, if I go under now, my ears will be completely filled.
Well, we cannot help you right now. You have to help yourself.
Jinya, I told you, let's have you participate in this video. You said, I'm scared because you won't open me up. Open me up, you guys! My ears are already completely filled. This is not funny at all. The lock, you guys, I give up. I give up. Come on, faster. Is it open? Oh my God. The water is so cold already. And I'm starting to panic because if I go under, then the water starts to fill my ears and it's causing me to panic like crazy. Oh, it's so cold. At least what makes me happy is that I have a long nose and allows me to breathe normally in the water. Oh, I can breathe. Oh, it's crazy. I'm shaking. Let me get out of here already.
Here is your first aid.
I'm warm at last. It's better than ever before. All right, guys, I guess this video has come to an end. I've almost made it through this. If some mafia put me in a similar cube, I would definitely not get out of there 100%. Well, simply because I think they wouldn't put me in a cube I can escape from. In general, I don't know what else to say. I'm going to warm up. So good luck to everyone. Goodbye, everyone. I can't lift my hand high. My lab coat is all wet. Okay, let's go.
Which one is he gonna pick?